just another day at work with the groceries.
Yes, he's doing a good job. Oh, wait! Honey, I forgot something. Wait here while I go fetch it.
Huh? Wait, where did Dad go? I'm alone! I'm lost!
Huh? What's going on? What are you looking at?
Oh no! He's gonna need money! Where's Dad? 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 I don't see him anywhere. Did he leave the store?
What's up? You ready to pay for these groceries?
Oh no! I don't have any money!
It's a lot of groceries.
No!
Gonna cost a lot!
I'll go to jail if I don't pay for them!
Okay, I'm back. I got my soda. I need this, too.
I'm so good at making sandcastles. I'm the best. Daddy, I'm hungry. Can I have a snack?
Oh, sure thing. Here you go. Have a few of these.
Yay! Thanks, Daddy!
She got sand everywhere. Just gotta brush this all off the blanket. Ugh, there's so much of it. It just keeps coming. Okay, that's good enough. Now back to my podcast. Huh? Lizzie, stop! I swear, she's got 1,000 different moods. Wait, are you serious? There's even sand in my drink! No way! The sand is back and it's everywhere again! I swear this is one of the worst things about the beach. Sand gets everywhere even if you're being really careful. Okay, I've shaken it clean. Now let me use these bags to prop up the corners of the sheet. And then over here I'll need this tub of water. There we go. Oh, hold on there, Lizzie. Before you go on the sheet, you need to take off your shoes. And then wash your feet in this tub of water. There. And now it's my turn too. Nice and clean. Now I can step on the sheet. There. Isn't that better? We're nice and clean now. I have to say, this is one of my better ideas. Phew. I still have a lot of work to get done today.
Da-da-da-da-da! I'm the best! You're the rest! Dad, catch my balloon! Whee!
Huh? Oh, I see. Okay, well here you go. Have it back.
Huh? You're no fun! Now my balloon is mad and sad, just like me. He needs a face. A grump face. Cause now he's a grumpy balloon like Dad! Dad! Look! This balloon looks like you!
Yup, that's very clever. Good job.
Phew! I'm hot and tired. It's cause I'm so fast! Dad! My balloon looks like you!
Hey, Lizzie, I'm working!
Ugh! You're so mean! That's it! Take this, grumpy balloon and grumpy Dad!
Uh-oh. Huh. That balloon really flew far.
Ow! My grumpy balloon! Ah!
You've gotta be kidding me. Okay, looks like I've gotta do something if I'm gonna get any work done. I've got the holy balloon and a clear intact balloon. There we go. I've put the clear balloon inside the holy one. Now I'm gonna need a funnel, because I need some glitter. These gold stars should serve the purpose. I'll pour them into the balloons. Now I need some liquid. Oh, the soda should work. There we go. Okay, that should be enough. Let me give this a try. Yep. Squeezing it works just like I thought.
I miss my grumpy balloon! Oh! A new toy! So fun! So sparkly! Yay! Thank you, Daddy! I love it!
Phew. Thank goodness. That should keep her distracted for a while.
Dad! Look at how hard I can squeeze this balloon!
What even is my life right now? Back to work. Let me try and find something good to watch. Oh yeah, sports news. Now that's what I'm talking about. Gotta crank this volume up so I can hear it.
Ooh! Look at that apple! So pretty! Yay! It's apple time! Gonna be so tasty and good! Ow! This is hard!
He makes a very good point. A new forward would make a difference. Huh? What happened to my apple? Is it hiding? Oh! Lizzie! That apple's too hard for you to bite like that!
Oh! Uh-oh, Daddy! My teeth fell out!
Oh my gosh. Let me pause this. Wow. Those are your teeth on the floor, alright. What am I gonna do with you? Well, don't worry. Hand me that apple and I'll get you a snack. This spoon will help me help Lizzie out. Okay, just gotta make a little circle cutout. There. Now let me chop up the inside of this apple using the spoon. Perfect. I'm done.
Maybe I can put my teeth back in? Oh! Hey! It worked! I got teeth again!
Hey, honey. I've got you your apple snack now. Okay, now open wide for some apple.
Yay! I love apple! It's my favorite fruit ever!
Okay, now to get back to my sports news. Afternoon's back on.
I'm so sick. I hate being sick. Achoo! Oops. I sneezed out the thermometer.
Alright, honey. Let me check your temperature. How are you feeling? Still not feeling your best? That temperature is no good. You need some medicine.
No! I hate medicine! It's gross and bad!
There we go. That should be enough. Come on now, Lizzie. You need this to help you feel better. Oh, what the heck? How did she escape?
Gotta escape! No medicine for me!
You've gotta be kidding me. This kid is something else.
I'm the best at hiding. He can't find me now.
This really isn't how I want to spend my afternoon. Wait a second. I think I have an idea. Okay, I've got my spoon and now the medicine. Next up, I need this little lollipop. Time to dip it in the medication. Gotta give it some swirls. I need it nice and coated. Honey, I have a treat for you.
Oh no! Daddy's back! He wants to give me medicine! Huh? What's that? He has a lollipop? I will take my lollipop now!
Alright, here you go, honey. Just for you.
This is so yummy! It's the best!
That's right, it is. And I think I'll have one too.
Yay, yay, yay! Time for food! Food is the best!
You're right. Here's your bananas. And your oatmeal. And your juice. There you go. Now eat up. Breakfast is important.
Yay! Breakfast is the best ever!
Wait, what the heck? She's making a huge mess.
La la la! I made a smiley face. It's the best!
Are you kidding me? Okay, I gotta clean this whole mess up now. Okay, honey. I need you to keep this on. Now, everything has been cleaned up, so just eat your breakfast. Okay, back to my reading. This article won't read itself. What the heck? Lizzie, why would you do that?
Oh, I didn't do anything, Daddy.
Now I have to clean myself up too. I haven't had enough coffee yet this morning to deal with all of this. That's better. Oh no! Look at that coffee ring on the table! Wait a second. That just gave me a great idea. I've got my piece of paper and I'll turn my mug over on it. Now I'll trace a circle around it. There we go. I've made some nice circles. Now I need to trace this spoon, too. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to do. This will help a lot. Okay, honey. Here's a new placemat for you. See? Now there's a place for all your food and dishes.
Wow! Thanks, Dad! Okay, gotta put this right back in its spot. I did it! I'm the best! Gotta put my juice glass back there, too!
Excellent. It seems to be working. She's not making a mess. Phew. Now that's a better morning. How do you stop sand from getting everywhere? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.